Apple releases iOS 17 Beta 4. What's new here today and should you start? We will talk here today. My name is Maxim, let's go. Okay, Beta 4. The size is about 1.5 GB. And of course Apple releases some other betas like macOS, iPadOS, tvOS and watchOS. And there are some new features here. First of all, iOS 17 Beta 4 includes a new toggle in the Settings app that allows users to disable the ability to initiate AirDrop transfer by bringing two devices close together. In the Messages app, Apple has tweaked the layout and icons for Messages apps. Next, iOS 17 Beta 4 includes a slightly tweaked design for buttons in the TV app, and there is a new picker animation for AirPlay. Now when you customize the lock screen on Beta 4, the thinnest text option is slightly thicker. And for the standby mode, there is a new option in Settings. It calls Show Preview on tap only. This is mostly privacy feature when you don't want anyone to see your notifications. And there are some small changes on the interface of the settings. Apple changed the icon of home screen and app library section. And now the keyboard has upgraded API. It means that keyboard on Spotlight, on Telegram, on WhatsApp now will disappear correctly. So now it's more convenient to use these apps on iOS 17 Beta. If you're talking about performance and battery life, it's pretty good. And honestly, if you're running right now some of the iOS 17 betas, yes, you should install this one. If you're running iOS 16 some releases, I don't think that you need this, because this beta is working pretty fine, but still there are some bugs. Anyway, we're waiting for the release, which will be in September. So that's it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And let me know your opinion in the comment section below. And of course, have a good day. Bye.